Hey YouTube fans, 95 aerostar boy here, or 95 aero boy, sorry about that. This is a little segment of my van, 95 aerostar XLT extended van. I'm going to give you a little sound demo of the exhaust. Since I live here in California, I've got to do a restricted style exhaust checking. Left the two cats on there. Resonator tip, I don't mind. Took out the muffler and then went down here. Sorry for the fingers. A small little chrome tip. So I'm gonna set this back here a little bit so you guys can hear it as it starts up. I think you can see that. A little bit. Alright, here I go. First startup of the day. It doesn't give too much, but it does give it a tuned sound to it. I'm going to walk up here to the motor, give you a brief little look at it. Brand new radiator, I had to replace that. There's the rebuilt motor that I paid $2,600 for. That includes the labor and everything. Here's my power wire to my amp that I have, but it's not hooked up right now because of the install of the motor. So, a little quick rev of the motor here. Pretty beepy. But next clip I'll do a little exhaust on the Tempo, which I now call Po, because it's just a nickname. My aerostar, I call it Baby Boo. Thank you for watching and have a good day.